Hi guys, McKone here. Just a quick word about this book, The Philosophy and Mechanical Principles of Osteopathy by you-know-who, A.T. Still. And what's interesting in here is chapter 11. It's called Biogen. And in it, A.T. Still says some of the following. Thus endowed, two beings or worlds, when in contact, give wisdom and force to work out greater problems than either could accomplish alone, as both have been formed by terrestrial forces aided by celestial wisdom. Then greater results can be hoped for, and in friendly unison in action, such results will appear as the effects of that harmonious union of two great causes. These two great causes being celestial dynamics and terrestrial mechanics. Now he goes on to say, reciprocity, that's like yin and yang, black and white, through the governments of the celestial and terrestrial worlds is ever the same, and human life in form and motion, there's that word form again, in form and motion is the result of conception of the terrestrial mother from the terrestrial father. Thus we have a unit of mind, matter, life, or man. Now this bit's interesting. To bring this subject within the comprehension of the student, that he may know why the arterial or celestial force should be brought to act with full force upon the terrestrial or the substances of the body, he has only to think for a moment that man contains in his physical organization all chemical substances that belong to the earth, and that these substances are put into growing motion, first by the living force or nourishment obtained from the soil. So, we're made from the earth. That's interesting. So, he talks about the celestial forces of, well, let's say, the celestial dynamics, which is up there, the stars, the moon, the environment, and terrestrial dynamics. So, we now know that the arterial is celestial. So, when we talk about the rule of the artery is supreme, he means supreme, okay, up there. The other tissue is the other tissue which is closest to the earth, which is similar to the earth, which is bone. So it's our form. Bone is the slowest form of movement on an evolutionary basis. Now obviously this celestial terrestrial phenomenon, I had to go and ask someone about this. So the late Henry Bortoft pointed me in the direction of this book, The Construction of Modern Science by Richard S. Westphal, which is a Cambridge University Press book. Cambridge University Press. And lo and behold, chapter 1 is celestial dynamics and celestial dynamics and terrestrial mechanics. This is based on Galileo, Copernicus, Johannes Kepler, and all the band of astronomers. Now A.T. Still was a very, very keen astronomer. So what we're seeing here is that osteopathic motion is not in the body, it's expressed through form, and that form is expressed through bone. Bone, as I said, is the slowest and deepest form of movement. Not dura, not fluids, that's all too late. It's our form through our bone structure that we have to correct or be empathetic to. Empathetic, pathos, osteopathy. Thanks.